Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to talk about this aloe vera gel from the brand La Organo. If you don't know about La Organo, then La Organo is a completely organic Indian brand and they have a wide range of hair care, skin care and hand sanitizer, and La Organo claims that all their products are completely sulfate free, paraben free and free from mineral oils. You can also follow them on Insta to know more about their product and brand. I will also put the link of Insta in the description box, so you can also go and check that out. It's a 120 gram tube and this retails for 299 rupees, but currently this is available for 189 rupees on La Organo website. La Organo products are widely available on Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, Purple and on La Organo website. I have put all the purchase link in the description box if you are planning to buy, and if you are interested in buying you can check them out. So this aloe vera gel is 99% pure aloe vera gel along with glycerin. If I talk about some amazing benefit of using aloe vera gel for your skin, then it reduces acne, it reduces dark spot, it also soothes your skin and it also heals irritated skin. Aloe vera gel is anti-aging and it also reduces blemishes from your skin. Aloe vera gel makes your skin soft, supple and smooth. And the benefits of using aloe vera gel for your hair is that it conditions your hair, it also reduces dandruff. It works as an excellent conditioner for your scalp and for your hair. Though this aloe vera gel claims that it has no synthetic fragrance, but this product has a very strong rosy smell. So if in any which way you are allergic to fragrances, then you can skip this product. This aloe vera gel also says that it has no silicone, no sulfate, no mineral oil and no color. So now how can you incorporate this aloe vera gel in your skincare or in your hair care regime? I will share how I have incorporated this particular aloe vera gel in my skincare and hair care regime. The first way is I just add this in any of my DIY face mask which I make. And the second way of using this aloe vera gel is what I do before going to bed. I just apply a thick layer of this aloe vera gel on my face and it works as an excellent sleeping mask, and next day you can wash it off with normal water. The third way of using this aloe vera gel for your face is what you can do, just massage your face and your neck and then leave it for 20 minutes and then you can wash it off with normal water. How can you incorporate this aloe vera gel for your hair care regime? What you have to do is, if you are making any DIY hair mask, you can directly add this aloe vera gel, and the second way is you can use it as a conditioner but before shampooing your hair. So what you have to do, you have to take an adequate amount and then you have to massage your scalp and then you have to completely cover your hair with this aloe vera gel, and you will notice that it has added an amazing shine to your hair. If I talk about what this aloe vera gel claims, then it claims to give your skin a soft and supple look. It claims to reduce dark spots and blemishes of your skin, and it also claims to tame down if you have any sort of irritation. And for your hair, it claims to give a dandruff free scalp and it claims to condition your hair. So if I talk about the kind of result this has given me, this definitely adds an amazing glow to your skin. It definitely tame down frizz from your hair. This aloe vera gel has a capability to give your skin a glowy and a dewy and a juicy complexion, and it definitely reduces dryness. So if you are a dry skin type, you definitely go for it. Will I repurchase this? Definitely yes. It's an amazing product and sometimes it becomes difficult to find aloe vera plant, so this can come handy. If you'll ask my recommendation, then it's a 100% recommended product, and if you are planning to buy, definitely go for it. This is it for today's video. I hope you have liked my video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Insta. In this video, share this video. Keep on watching, keep on supporting. Till then, take care and bye bye.